How to open an HSBC account online in the UK. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can open an HSBC account on your mobile phone in the UK. So let us begin. First, open up any web browser. I will be using Safari. You can use whichever you want. And after you do that, search for HSBC Bank. After you search for it, this will open up right here. You will see the hsbc.co.uk right there. Now tap on bank account. After you tap on it, let it load, and here you will see HSBC bank account. Now if you scroll down, you will see how to apply option. Tap on how to apply and you'll get redirected here. Now these are the things you need to know before you start to apply. So the first thing you'll need to keep in mind is that you will need to be above 18, and after you're above 18 you can create an account easily. And as you can see right here, who can apply, it's 18 or older and are happy for them to do a credit check against your name, and you can provide your ID and proof of address if needed. Now if you can just go through here, you will see apply now option. Just tap on it, or you can scroll down a bit more and you will see apply for your HSBC bank account now. Just tap on apply for a sole joint if you want to create a single account, or if you want to create a joint account, tap on apply for a joint account. I'll tap on apply for a sole account, and after I do so, it will take some time to load, but here you will see the eligibility criteria, and this is the same that we have talked about before. And scroll down and tap on confirm and start. Now here there are 5 steps. You will need to go through each of these steps by filling in your personal information. Now you can go through these and then you can check what they do with these details. You can just go through each of these steps and you will be able to open your HSBC account. And that is basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.